It's me, Mariah. Hi, my name is Mariah Solidity Touches. And I'll tell you how to spell solidity. SERENITY. Hi guys, it's me, Mimi. Today I'm going to be making something sweet. Just guess. It's right, edible slime. Yay! And to make it edible, we're going to be using Starburst candy. Starburst slime. So we're going to be using Starburst to make our Starburst slime. Alright, so the ingredients that we need are two, and they're simple. Some powdered sugar and some Starburst that I already showed you. So these are really easy. Alright, are you ready to make some Starburst slime? Let's stay tuned with Starburst slime. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is unwrap our Starburst candies. And then you must be really, really careful because you need a pan because it's going to be on the stove. It's going to get really hot when Mommy takes it off. So do not touch it until it gets warmer or cold. Even that way, it cannot be hot. Make sure you have a guardian or a parent, a mommy, daddy, but it has to be someone that's big or your big sis. So we have to do it. Let's open our Starburst. I'm gonna say I have some. Okay, so I want red. Here's some red. Some like one. Oh, good. I pulled big.
What color should we make our slime? Should we make yellow or pink or red or orange? Or a mixture of colors?
Lots of colors.
Lots of colors?
Yeah, I want to make it like rainbow.
Rainbow color?
Yeah,
okay.
So the one that I'm going to eat right now, that's all of them. I'm going to eat pink.
You're going to eat one? Okay, I guess I'll eat one with you. I'll eat pink too, okay?
You're a cheater. You're a copycat. Alright, so here we have our bowl. We can put all our Starburst in. To the Thanksgiving staples. Let's open. So look at our Starburst. So now Mom's going to do, she's going to put them on the stove and then they're going to melt. Ooh, so cool. Look at our Starburst. There's like, cherry, strawberry, cherry, actually strawberry and cherry. And there's apple. Actually no apple. There is lemon and
Big naranja.
yeah, naranja. So mommy just took this off the stove, and then while we're kneading it, we don't want to burn ourselves. So we're gonna like cool this off for like 10-15 minutes. And then once it come back, it'll be warm, and then I can taste a little bit of it. Look at guys. It smells good. It smells like banana and like apple and stuff. Ooh, it's so oozy.
Alright guys, so it's been cooling off for about a good, I'd say about 10-15 minutes. So it's pretty warm. I'm not too sure if it's going to be really, really hot once we start kneading it. So this is how it looks. And it took about a good 30 minutes for the amount that we had to melt. Okay, so Mariah's back from washing her hands, and we're going to put some powdered sugar on this table. And we're going to try to knead it and make slime. Okay. Does it taste like Starburst? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And we're going to try to plop all of this onto
Okay, now you're going to
table. Okay.
What are you doing?
Color looks red, like a red Starburst. And remember, we mixed all of the colors together. Oh, it's pretty warm. I might have to let it cool off a little bit more. Oh, it's kind of hot. I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit more.
These are edible slime, guys. You know what edible means? Edible means you can eat it. So this time I'm gonna eat it. Mom, can we eat it now?
You can try it. Tell me what it tastes like. What does it taste like?
Fruit salad.
A fruit salad?